Here we go, 156 required. Oh, that's worth a shout. Is that Badshah? First ball.
Oh, he's testing him here. Should be out. And is. Oh, he did go short again. And it's paid off. There you go. Down the wicket and... Oh, another one. Oh, that's close. That is close. Finger is up. His shuffle across, chance of a run out, direct hit, and he is gone! Is it out? Is it out? Very good catch, I think. And brilliant toe.
Baldy knocks his over. Not this time.
Oh, what a start!
Is that a glove? Is that a glove? Hassan Ali's. Afridi's gone big, but not big enough. Kyron Pollard is underneath it. Hassan Ali to Hamad Azam. Oh, this must be dead. Must be dead. That's
what he's looking for. Tailing your chance. Could this be the end of Delport? Dawson, easy catch, and the big...
Ah, there it is! Change the angle, pump.